What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another vid for you today. Gosh, the cicadas are loud today. Okay, as you can see here, no mirror. Tried to trade with the Prius at like 35 miles an hour. Did not work. So today we're replacing that. This is taking me forever because this little connector here is not the same on all of them, I guess. This is the second mirror I've got. We're gonna get right into that in 1 second. Actually, yeah. So step one is to remove this very carefully. I have no idea. This is my first time with a head cam, so I don't know what's going on up there, what your view is like. But next, we're gonna get rid of this thing here. Pull out that connector. Okay, now we can set that over there. Now we need to get something that's that size. I'm guessing it's like a 12 or a 13. Yeah, it's an 11, okay. Y'all, it is muggy today. Okay, I need to get a different wrench for that. All right, guys, I don't know what time this video is going up, but I've started learning to fly. And I think I'm gonna do almost like a vlog, YouTube short series kind of thing with it. What do you guys think? Would you watch that if I started doing that? I mean, at this point, there's probably already 1 or 2 of them out because I'm slow with editing. But yeah, for anyone that wants to do like a mirror replacement at home, I'm not however, yes, ADHD. I don't know if I have ADHD. I probably did. The amount of topics I've talked about in the last 5 seconds. Okay. Once you take that off, I'm gonna take this and just yeet. I'm just kidding, don't do that. All right. Grab this thing. Move this out of the way. So this and this. Good as new. Got a video with a G35 that I'm supposed to be recording tomorrow. Do maybe some little hits here and there. We'll see how that goes. All right, where's my key? Alrighty. Oh God, it is so hot. It is, I don't know what the temperature is. All right. Yeah, let's go. You see that? You see that working? Heck yeah. Okay. Y'all, we're legal again. Not actually. We still have... Heck yeah, bro. Like it was never gone. Perfect. Okay. Well, guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, you know, the stuff that YouTube likes. Actually, you know what? No, don't like, don't subscribe, and don't comment. We don't work for YouTube. They don't pay me money. I'm not going to ask you to do that. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Peace out, Girl Scout.